In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console to Shopify. By the end, your store will be set up so Google can verify ownership and start collecting valuable search data, like what keywords bring visitors to your site and how your pages appear in search results. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin on the correct store and that you're signed in to your Google account in the same browser. It also helps to keep two tabs open, one for Shopify and one for Google Search Console, so you can switch between them quickly. Start in your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, open Online Store, then choose Preferences. This page houses settings that affect how your site is presented to search engines. Scroll down until you see the section for Google Search Console. This is where Shopify provides a dedicated field to hold your site verification tag, and it ensures that the tag is injected correctly on your live storefront. Now move to Google Search Console and click Verify so Google provides you with a meta tag. You'll see a snippet that looks like a standard HTML meta tag with a content value. Copy the entire meta tag exactly as it appears. Don't edit it, don't add extra characters, and don't copy only part of it. The whole tag is what Google expects to find. Head back to your Shopify tab and paste that meta tag into the Google Search Console field. This tells Shopify to place the tag in your site's code where Google will look for it. Take a second to confirm you pasted it into the Google Search Console field and not into any analytics fields nearby. Click Save. This step is important. Until you save, the tag won't publish to your live storefront. Once saved, Shopify updates your site so the verification tag is present on your homepage. That's exactly what Google needs to confirm ownership. A few quick tips while it updates. If you just saved, give Google a moment to detect the tag. If you run into a hiccup later, double check that you copied the entire tag that you saved in Shopify and that you're working on the correct store and domain. Also, if you use any aggressive caching or a coming soon page, be sure your live homepage is accessible to Google. That's it. You've connected Google Search Console to Shopify by adding the verification meta tag, and you're ready to start seeing search insights as Google processes your site.